Hello everyone. Here we
Hello
from the
everyone.
will present the final semester exam report assignment with the title Portrait of Mrs. Yuli, Traditional Herbal Medicine Seller in Bantul. These are the names of the members of our English group, namely Inspira Dwinur Fajriani from Class A, Anissa Rahmadani from Class A, Kayana Praba Apsari Hernanda from Class B, Katarina Dwi Lestari from Class B, Laurentius Dandi Purba Hermanto from Class B, Risma Febrianti from Class B, and Valentina Putri Andini from Class B. Next is the timeline. In the month April 22, year 2025, we do search. In the month April, the 24th to the 25th, of the year 2025, we already found source and start contacting them and start the shooting process at the source place. Then in April the 29th to the 3rd of May 2025, we start compiling offline and online reports.
Start from chapter 1, introduction. Portrait photography involves complex communication between the photographer and the subject. This case study is about a traditional herbal medicine who started his business on July 11, 2010, and is selling snacks and learning to concoct herbal medicine from his parents from months, doing 3 months of market research, and finally opening a herbal medicine business in Batu, RT 10 Agung Setayu, Bantul, Jakarta. Idea and goal formulation. Examine the various forms of communication that occur between photographers and models during portrait photo shoots. Identify the communication barriers encountered and the solution used to overcome them. Understand the influence of communication on the visual quality and story created in portrait photography. Compile a report describing the overall communication process in the shoot, including technical aspect and interpersonal relationship. Benefit for students. Interpersonal skills development, improve communication analysis skills, improving the quality of photography work.
Chapter 2, method. The material object is the research is Mrs. Yuli, a traditional herbal medicine seller, location in Bantul. She served as the subject of visual and narrative documentation related to daily prices of jamu selling. Format object. The format of object concerns the communication process and photographic strategy used to document and present the subject identify. Cultural values and interaction will inform through visual storytelling.
Data collection technique. First, it is direct observation. Observations were made during the shooting process. The members actively recorded emerging forms of communication, both verbal, instruction and discussions, and nonverbal facial expressions, body gestures, or direction of gaze. This observation aims to document the effectiveness of communication in a natural way without interrupting the ongoing activities. Second is interview. This interview aims to explore impressions and expression of the interaction between our team and the model. Our team has prepared a number of questions that can add further information. First might be what variants of jamu are currently available and which variants are currently selling the best. Second is how did customer respond when the interviewee first started selling jamu? 3, what is the marketing strategy used in selling jamu products and what is the role of communication in the process? Third, visual documentation. Our group documented in two main forms. First is the final portrait, which shows the visual communication between the photographer and the model in building expression, pose, and atmosphere. Second, behind the scene or BTS photos, which capture moments during the production process, including interactions between the team and the atmosphere of fieldwork. Four is fieldwork recording. During the shoot, several team members took notes on the situation, issues, and interactions that took places. These include one, teamwork atmosphere. The atmosphere between the team and the model was conducive and collaborative with close communication between the photographer and the team. The situation when communication barrier occurred during the shooting session, there were several communication barriers that affected the smoothness of the process. Three, how the team responded and resolved the obstacles. The solution our team provided for the obstacles that
Type of shooting. The type of photos used are portrait and documentary photo. A portrait is a type of photo that focus on the face of or upper body of a person or group of people. The main purpose of portrait photography is to capture the expression, personality, and character of the subject. Meanwhile, documentary photo are photographic work that record the reality of the world as it is, with the aim of communicating a relevant and important message or story. These photos are often used to record historical event, daily life, or social condition. And the reference from Antara Photo, Antara News, and assetphoto.com.
Chapter 3, Result and Discussion. Photo work result. The camera that we use is Sony Alpha 6700 and the lens is 1650 millimeters. And we use different ISO, aperture, shutter speed, and focal length for each photos. And for the first photo, featuring Mrs. Yuli Pertamianti, who is selling her traditional herbal medicine using a modified motorcycle as a means of selling. In front of her is a buyer who is choosing one of the Jamu products offered. The photo was taken using an eye level technique in order to show the subject as we see her in normal daily interaction. For the second photo is displaying the basic raw materials using by Mrs. Yuli Pertamianti in making traditional herbal medicine consisting of turmeric, palm sugar, kencur, tamarind, lime, and so on. The photo was taken using a high angle technique to give a better three-dimensional perspective and help visualize the size and proportion of the product. And the third photo is showing the process of making jamu by Mrs. Yuli Pertamianti, which is done by pounding all the ingredients using a lumpang. The photo was taken using a low-angle technique in order to create a portrait photo that is more dynamic and different from conventional shooting. Discussion of the communication process. 1. Interpersonal communication. Team conversation with sources to gather information and get permission to shoot. 2. Group communication, preparatory discussion, and technical coordination of the team before the shoot. 3. Verbal and non-verbal communication, discussion via WhatsApp and permission letter for the verbal, and positive expression of the model showing comfort for the non-verbal. 4. Obstacles, models personal business but do not interfere with the overall process. 5. Objective, build rapport with the model for optimal result and practice professional communication skills.
Chapter 4, Conclusion. Through this study, it can be concluded that an understanding of the cultural context and the use of effective interpersonal communication are needed in photography, especially in the practice of photojournalism or documentary photography. Communication science provides a strong foundation for photographer to not only be image taker, but also storyteller between subject and audience. Bibliography Abimanyu A. 2025, peran fotografi dokumenter dalam pencatatan sejarah, Retina Journal Fotografi. Iskandar A. 2014, kajian budaya fotografi potret dalam wacana personalitas. Attachment. And this is behind the scene. Okay, that's all from our groups. If there are any wrong word or pronunciation, we apologize and thank you for your attention.